Welcome to Teacher Trivia. Test your teaching and education knowledge. Which of the following is an example of one of Robert Marzano's high-yield teaching strategies? Is it A, setting goals and objectives, B, think, pair, share, C, flipping the classroom, or D, decreasing homework? The answer is setting goals and objectives. This is just one of Robert Marzano's high-yield teaching strategies. Others include identifying similarities and differences, note-taking and summarizing, advanced organizers, generating and testing hypotheses, and many more. If you got this answer correct, you receive a 100. If you would like to learn more about Marzano's high-yield teaching strategies, check out the video in the top right-hand corner. Thank you, and don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button